Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 low-maintenance ground cover plants to prevent weeds from taking over. Before that, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Dense cover crops and ground cover plants help prevent weeds from growing and provide a lush background for ornamental flowers. Several types of ground cover plants provide the necessary coverage to prevent weeds, but be careful when choosing a plant as many of them are invasive or require significant amounts of maintenance. Generally, any plant that grows low and less than 24 inches tall works as a suitable option for ground cover. Okay, here are 10 low-maintenance ground cover plants to prevent weeds from taking over. Number 1. Ajaga. Glossy leaves in shades of deep green, bronze, and chocolate brown make this perennial a great low-growing lawn alternative for almost any climate. In summer months, little spikes of blue, purple, pink or white flowers will appear. Ajaga spreads rapidly in varying conditions, tolerating shade or sun. Number 2. Low-growing succulents. Low-growing with a creeping, spreading habit, ground cover succulents like hens and chicks or stonecrop are an attractive and simple lawn grass alternative to fill the bare ground, suppress weed, and prevent erosion while requiring minimal maintenance and less water use. Number 3. Spotted dead nettle, Lamium maculatum. A versatile ground cover adaptable to a wide range of growing conditions, most soil types, and tolerates part shade to full Sunday. Scalloped leaves come in a variety of color variations and remain attractive all season. Colorful flower spikes bloom from late spring through early summer in white, pink, rose, or violet. Number 4. Sedum. Sedum album has white flowers and green foliage that turns reddish in autumn. It blooms in summer and is an excellent ground cover for thin, poor soils or rocky embankments. White sedum is, however, a relatively slow-growing plant. Drought conditions may turn the foliage pinkish, but this species has excellent tolerance for dry conditions. Number 5. Basket of gold, Auronia saxatilis. Basket of gold plants feature bright gold flowers that seem to reflect the sun's golden rays. Although the individual flowers are small, they bloom in large clusters that intensify the effect. And they make fantastic ground covers for sunny areas. Number 6. Candytuft, Iberis sempervirens. Candytuft is a woody, mounding perennial that likes full sun and well-drained soil and tolerates drought. It's suitable for zones 3 to 8 and reaches a height of about 12 inches. In warmer climates, this plant is evergreen. The blossoms of candytuft consist of sweetly scented clusters of white petals, which are often so profuse that you can't see the elongated green leaves below. Number 7. Bellflower, Campanula. The plants will spread over the seasons and the lower growing varieties make excellent ground cover. Most bellflowers begin blooming in July and keep on flowering until frost. Conditions for growing bellflowers. Bellflowers perform best in United States Department of Agriculture plant hardiness zones 4 and up, but may grow in zone 3 with some protection. Number 8. Moss phlox, Phlox subulata. Moss phlox is a dense ground cover blanketed with notch-petaled flowers in April and May. Blooms can be muddy hot pink, bright rose, and magenta, while other cultivars include white, soft lavender blue, clear pale pink to deep pink, clear scarlet, and lavender, some with a darker or lighter eye. Evergreen foliage is narrow, short, and stiff. Number 9. Cranesbill. Cranesbill is a perennial ground cover herb that produces showy small, 1 to 2 inch flowers in late spring or summer. Cranesbill is a perennial ground cover plant that tolerates shade and has flowers. Cranesbill needs moderate to dry moisture levels. Number 10. Thyme. Creeping thyme plants generally stay short and can be effective ground covers. Some people go as far as using them as grass alternatives. A more common use for them is as a ground cover to fill in the spaces between stepping stones, although caraway thyme may be too aggressive for this purpose. This evergreen ground cover offers fragrant foliage and pink or white flowers in spring or summer. That's it. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you like this video, click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have any notifications turned on, so you never miss those upcoming videos. And see you next time.